Here's where to listen to when listening to a patient's heart valves. Here's the easiest mnemonic, ape to man. A stands for aortic. To listen to the aortic valve, we're going to start at the second intercostal space on the right side of the sternum. P stands for pulmonic. This is exactly on the same spot, but on the left side of the sternum at the second intercostal space. Next is E for Erb's point. This is directly beneath the pulmonic auscultation location, which will be our third intercostal space. Now for T, this is the tricuspid valve, and you can listen to this valve by going down another space at the fourth intercostal space, here on the left side. Finally, man, for the mitral valve. We can find this listening location another space down at the fifth intercostal space along the midclavicular line on the left-hand side. Here's a question. Surgically, what are the most commonly replaced heart valves? Drop your answers below.